This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Julie Ford. What an opportunity to build your custom home in Bluff Point in the Choto area. Partially cleared lot is 2.14 acres and neighborhood includes lake access / boat ramp. Rare find in the Farragut / West Knox area. Excellent schools, Northshore Elementary, Farragut Middle, and Farragut High School. Attached soil forms completed by soil scientist and topography form completed by engineer. This lot is ready to have your dream home built on it. For more information, review the details below or contact Julie Ford at 865-966-1111.